Carole's art room. There's one drying under the box. Here's all my resining tiles getting ready to be resined. Okay, so here's my workstation coming up. It's my table. And here's where all my paints are. Here's my pigments. And this is all Liquitex Basics on that shelf. And there's some cups and paintbrushes. And over here is my deco art. My metallics are all on this turnstile. Here's my golden. There's my color shift paints up there. Odds and ends up there. Bigger tubs. This is all my Amsterdam, except for that one that was down there. These are all my Amsterdam. That's all my Pebeo. And here's my Josanya and some gold and Grumbacher. And my Winsor Newton and a couple of odds and ends are in here. And my opaque Artist Loft are at the bottom. I don't use much. And there's some of my piggies mixed up that are in this drawer. And this is my mixtures of regular paints. And there you go. Hi everybody, welcome to Carole's Art Room. I'm going to do a bloom on a swipe today. See if I can, I'm having a tricky time getting these right, but I'm persistent, so I'm going to try again. So I'm going to do a swipe with some, I'll do some ultramarine blue and some silver. Maybe I didn't have enough paint down before, so make sure I have lots of color up here. Put some silver. Use my palette knife. I think I'll use white. White cell activator. This is not my normal pillow paint, so it's not working the way I like it to work. I'll give it another shot. Pull the color underneath. I think the paint is more dense or thick than I'm used to, so I'm going to angle this a little more to pull more of the color. That's better. That's probably what I wasn't doing enough of. want more of this. It's pretty. Maybe I can go across the bottom. Use a card this time. It doesn't make it all the way down. 1, 2, 3. I should just do another one there and then I'll stop it right there and then I should be okay. I'm gonna have no paint left, that's the problem. Whoops. I'll do more white. All right. I think that should be pretty good. Okay, so I had success there. I'm going to put a little bit more puddle in the middle. Just where the bloom is going to go. That looks really pretty. All right. So I'm going to put, this is Pebeo blue-green. Whoopsie, whoopsie, some silver. Some ultramarine blue. Orange, azo orange. And a little bit of, this is a metallic sapphire by DecoArt. Use white. Ooh, that's a lot. I didn't get very much orange coming through. I really like this. Okay, let's just do some swirls. I got a bit of green, I guess from the orange and the blue. The silver is nice there. See how this goes. I love this. I wish there was more orange showing, but next time I should put the orange underneath, right in the mid, like near the bottom, because the near the bottom colors usually show up. Well, that's a little better success than I've had, so that's good. That's good. Because the pillow paint was thicker, I had to push down more, I guess, to get the cells to come up, and it worked. It worked. I usually use Glidden Premium or Glidden Essentials. Glidden Essentials is thinner, so you have to let it sit to thicken it up, but it's a little bit cheaper, I think. So, okay, I think this is not moving much now. I'm going to leave it. Thank you for watching, and I'm so glad I had some success today. I'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell for notifications, and comment below. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Hi, everybody. Here's my dried tile. Dried really good. It's a 6x6 tile. Thanks for watching. Have a good day, everyone.